What's up, guys? Welcome back into the Millennial Profit. Today I'm going to be making a quick tutorial on how to ship your Amazon FBM orders after they come in. You may have just gotten your first FBM order, or you haven't even listed yet and you want to know how to print your labels when this happens, as you should be generating your own shipping labels. So this is what this tutorial is going to be. Let's hop straight in.
All right, so it's super simple. You're just going to want to come here to your Amazon Seller Central, obviously, and then you can see here at the top it has all of your actions. If you've got returns and stuff, you can do it all in there, as well as you can see ship orders, or another place you can come, which you used to have to come was right here, and then you go to FBM unshipped. You can see it will have your FBM and your FBA in there. Let's just go with the easy method since it pops up for us. So just going to click ship orders there. You can see I've got 7 to ship, and all of your orders are right here. Now if you've sold on eBay before, it's very similar to that. FBM is basically just eBay on Amazon. So let's ship one of these. Let's ship oh, someone bought 2 of those hats. Let's ship one of these guys. You can see a Houston Astros. All you're going to do is click buy shipping. Again, you're going to want to make sure you buy your own shipping labels. You don't want to be paying for rates at the post office. When you get discounted rates on here, then we can see, just like eBay, it shows all of our different options. So I've already sold this before, so I put this in, but if you need to enter your dimensions in, you enter the dimensions of the package. The weight of the package is just a hat and an 8x6x6 box. And then we can check all of our shipping options right here. Again, if you've sold on eBay or somewhere similar, it's just like that when you're buying the label. And even if we scroll up at the top, it'll tell if they paid for shipping, because you can do expedited shipping. They did not. They did free shipping, so I can send it whatever. And as long as it says claims protected and OTDR protected, that means that even if you don't deliver it in the time that Amazon promised, you're protected, because this is supposed to get there before that time, which shipped by Monday, July 7th. It's currently July 6th, and it's supposed to deliver by July 14th. So even if it doesn't deliver by that, Amazon's going to cover you because it says claims protected. So then all you have to do is click buy shipping label, and you print it off, and it's as easy as that. I also should mention you can do this on mobile. It's just way easier on desktop, but it's basically the same thing. You go into order here, and then you can see at the bottom it says buy shipping, and then the screen is going to look exactly the same, but you can see it's formatted for desktop. So I would do that if you can.
So hopefully that was able to help you if you wanted to know how to generate your own shipping labels. I like to try to make these quick tutorials because a lot of people drag it out 15 to 20 minutes just to get you to watch a bunch of ads. So I like to try to be quick and to the point. This was just generating the shipping labels though. If you're interested on when to use all the labels and just all of FBM shipping for beginners, I've made a video on that. I will link it above. Thank you so much for watching. There's money to be made everywhere, guys. Let's go get it. Thank you for watching The Millennial Profit.